to have done it.
We have 3 people.
Yep.
3
3 people on.
Cowboy dance.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Arctic Vet YouTube channel. My name's Trevor. Today we are on the hunt for a rare parade. It's very rare. It only comes to town once in a while. I think this is the second time it's been here. And it's called the Trump Parade. And so right now we're actually trying to meet up with our buddy Reno with shitbox_Geo on Instagram. But everybody is flying their American flags, their Trump flags, and you know what we're flying? Yeah, that's right, you guessed it, the Yee Yee flag. Because we don't care what your political views are, we're still human at the end of the day. So we're almost to Maine now. We're gonna try and catch up with them and then join the parade. And we'll try and get you guys some looks at this parade. Yes.
And Papa.
Yes, Papa and Riley and Cohen. And we're gonna sit right here and wait in this parking lot until we see a Geo Metro.
And Audie. And Audie.
The Geo's probably way back there somewhere, would be my guess. Hey, look at this camera. You got a flag up top. Let's go, let's go.
We're told that he's sitting by a train. And so right now we're heading to the train. And I feel like I've seen this truck before. Like in my driveway kind of truck. But there's the train. Oh, there's that yellow car. Now if only we can catch up to them up there. Okay, we finally arrived. Look for a Geo Metro. We just need a Geo Metro. There's some pretty sick trucks though. And a minivan pulling a trailer that looks like it has some like fence on it.
It does.
I love how resourceful we are. We're making this light. Told you. Yellow. Is there a Geo Metro in this gang? We're looking for him. We need to sign his hood. Oh, they got tired. Alright, let's see if we can get you guys in. Don't hate on my zoom. I know, my zoom's terrible. This phone is bad. It's gonna get fixed soon. Okay, my phone's not getting fixed, but the video will get better. Copyright problems, gotta mute that, sorry. Alright, we have found the Metro. I repeat, we have found the Metro. And it looks like everybody's packing up over her. There's our Metro. There's our Metro. Get it! This is the new shitbox_Geo Metro and his new hood. It's chalk. It's chalk. And we signed it right in the flag. This ain't just your other Metro. Trucker. Phosphorus trucker. Yee Yee.
Can we hop out and go up there?
No, okay. We got all the cars. I think.
Yeah.
Alright. So we're gonna tell them, if you guys enjoyed this video, smash that thumbs up video button.
What button?
Click that red subscribe button.
What that red button?
Ring that bell.
Bell.
And drop those comments down below.
Whoa.
Let us know what you think of this awesome metro.
Hey. Did you?
Have a good day and we'll catch you all on the next video.
Bye.
Bye.